So consider you have got one car, and you have got the capacity of that car is to carry 5 packs in a single trip, and you have got 15 uh, people coming in. Okay, so you have to take them from airport, and you need to drop them at home. And the problem is, let's say you don't have cabs. Hypothetical situation. Every trip you'll be able to take 5 packs. So you'll make first trip, you'll come back, you'll take another 5 people, you'll come back to the airport, you'll take another 5 packs. Then after this trip, are you going to come back to the airport now? Obviously no. Why? Because there are no more people left which you want to pick up. So basically you want to iterate, or you want to keep on looping in some particular thing again and again and again until a specific condition has been achieved. This is in short loops. Now Python have got multiple ways, two ways basically. First is using a for loop, second is using a while loop. How do we implement these both loops in Python? Let's go and catch that up. What are the iterables in Python? So before that, let us just take a look at syntax for loop. So it goes like for whatever you are trying to, for something or for an element in collection. Okay, and then what you want to do with that element. Yeah, basically what you want to do with the element in this iteration is something you will be understanding. Okay, so this is how you write a for loop. So let's start. What are the various things you can iterate in Python? First, I can say for character in, let's say I have a word called as code with Z, and I say print an individual character. Yeah, let's see how it works. Let me shift to command prompt, and I say Python iterables. Yeah. So it is printing all my characters one by one. Yeah. So this is how the loop can be applied for a single character in a string. Also, we can now do what? Let me put up a separator line, and here I say for number in this list of number. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I say print number. Just to show you what I can do is I can also say number, then I can write this and I say square is hyphen hyphen hyphen, and then I say number multiplied by number. Okay, this way you can check out. See, one square is one, two is four, three is nine, and so on. So I can even do iterations while operations while I am going ahead. Then I do what create. I'll show you one more way. Is how we can do that is for number, or let's say for x in range of. Now range is basically whatever you start. It's a iterable process which we are going to focus on data structure part in coming videos. For now, if I give the range of 1 to 10, it will basically print that number. See it for yourself. So it will start from 1, go till 9. So whatever is the last number minus 1 is what it will allow you to work in the range. So this basic example I've shown you how iterables are, what you can iterate in Python. Now next, let's focus in depth on for loop. The next feature of for I want to discuss is something what we call as what for else. The idea is quite simple. If I break the loop in between, that means it was successful. Yeah, it was completed, or that condition have been achieved. If it completes, I have an option to handle it. Okay, let's consider the scenario. I want to send a message. I'm going to say 5 attempts. So I make attempt 1, attempt 2, attempt 3. Third attempt, it goes away successfully. So I have sent the message, no need to worry about it. But what if after 5 attempts I want to log it somewhere that I attempted it for 5 times, but the message never went. How will I do that? So for attempt in range of 1 comma 6, I want to send it for 5 times. I'll put it for 6. What I'm doing, I'll say print attempting to send a message. Okay, so it will be first, second, third, whatever time it is. Then I do what? Let's say just creating a condition here. Successful is equal to true. So if I say if my attempt is equals 3 and successful, that means and I'll say print message has been sent successfully, and once message has been sent, no more things are required. So here break keyword is used to break the iteration of a loop. This is first time we are introducing it. So break is used for breaking. If a loop is running, if I use a break somewhere, it will come out of that iteration. Simple. Yeah. Then I go back. So I'm done with my if loop. Okay. After my if, this is done. Then now I have an else block. What does the else block tell me? That if this loop completes for all the 5 times without breaking, so I say print attempted 5 times to send a message and failed. And this is how you basically bring in the loop. So let's try this out and see how it works. So let me just put up a separator here. Okay, see, attempting to send a message, third time it sent successfully and it broke. So else was never executed. But what if just by making a very small change, I make this false? So now that condition will fails and this will be executed for 5 times. So now if I say clear screen, see, now it is saying what? Attempting to send a message for 5 times, and then it is giving me that it tried it for 5 times and it failed. Yeah, powerful. Because whatever, like loop, this is one of the condition which you can, it makes it easier for you to understand that how this work. I hope you're enjoying this video, and this would be a very great time to go and hit that subscribe button. That subscribe button basically acts as a fuel to our motivation for creating such videos, and do share it with your friends. Next, let us focus about while loop. Now, while loop have three moving parts for any loop basically. First is what? Initialization, condition, and increment or decrement. So let us try. We'll start with 100 and we'll keep on dividing this number by 2. And if we reach by 0, we'll stop. So we'll try a decrementing loop here. Yeah, that's what my plan is. We'll start with 100. So that's my initialization. My condition is if the number which I got reaches 0. Yeah, the number which I got reaches 0. It's my going to be my condition. How will I decrement it? By dividing by 2. And there are two types of divide. One is a divide like slash 2, and then it is double slash 2, which is also called as a floor divide. It gives me the nearest whole number. So how will I do that? I'll say initialization. Number is equal to 100. While number is greater than 0, what will I do? I will say print this number, simple as that. Then how do I decrement this? So I'll say reassign number is equal to number double mod 2. So this actually does what? It will allow me to, so let's say iterable with while loop. See, what are the operations it has done here for the number? Started with 100, 50, 25, 12, 6, 3, 1, and beyond that, the loop broke. This is how you deal with the while number. At the same time, if I want to create an infinite loop, which is one of the use case with for loop as well, while loop as well, that we create it majorly for creating the infinite loop. But let me give it a twist. What will I do here is, as far as you are, if you're not adding quit, I will ask you to insert a value. So I'll basically use an input function. So I say while command is not equal to command is not equal to quit. Okay, what will I do? I will keep on getting the command. So I'll say my command is equal to input, and I will ask them to pass me an input like this so that it gives a terminal look for us. Okay, and print. What will I do is I'll say echo. Whatever command has been given, we'll try to echo it. So we know what has been added. Let's see how this works. Okay, while command not equals to, okay, I have to add up a command variable before that. Command is blank. So for now, command is blank. See, it is asking me to insert a command. I say hi, say echo hi, hello, how are you? Okay, and then I say quit. See, it broke it and came out. But I want to show you one small thing. Is if I say hi, hello, and then I say quit in uppercase. See, it is still there. But when I say quit in lowercase, it quits. So that means case sensitivity is a problem here. How can I fix that? I can simply say whatever command you get, just add a lower function to it. So whatever command you are getting, uppercase, lowercase doesn't matter. Hi, hello. Even if you pass in any quit this way, it is also quitting. If I say Q uppercase, other things in lowercase, it will still fix it. Then I say QUIT. So simply any command you fire, this is how you basically take care of the casing related things in Python. So I hope you have enjoyed this iterations and looping with Python. We have much more looping to be doing when we go to the data structures. Thank you for watching this video, and please hit that subscribe button.